Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. And don't forget, I have several playlists on my main channel. Thank you for watching.
Y'all always ask me about my seasonings, so I want you to see. This is where I come down these mixed seasonings aisles, and I just pick out what strikes my fancy. So like, all right, let me see. So like this one is, I can't read it. Mango chipotle, chili lime, ranch, something complete, total seasoning. So when I talk about I just go grab seasonings, that's what I do. I look and see all the mixed seasonings. Good for vegetables, good for steak, umami, Himalayan. These right here, I love these kind of seasonings because it's all mixed together and it's going to taste really, really good. And then these, they even tell you what they're good for. Like, where to go? This one, that's for a salad. I mean, I'm going to grab one and we'll see what we think of it, because we could, oh, it's that kind of salad. Well, it still might be good for our other salad. But anyway, I'll put it back. But this is what I'm saying, you guys. This is what I do. I come and I walk this aisle of seasonings. I'm like, ooh, this looks great. Montreal seasoning or classic smash seasoning. You know, there's so many random seasonings, and that's how I have built up my seasonings, is by just coming into Walmart and picking out what looks interesting. Okay, bye.
Hey there, so I had to go to Walmart this morning to pick up some things, and while I was there, I saw a whole bunch of meat with yellow stickers, and we're going to go through it. Let me make sure I got all my bags. Hang on. So I just left them in bags, and we'll just process everything. So the total for all of this was $217. Because I bought all yellow sticker foods, I saved $60. Now, you don't have to get the variety I did. You get what fits in your budget. But because I was at Walmart, and if you are not an early riser on Saturday mornings, you really should be. I think the staff, maybe they get there around 6:30, 6 o'clock in the meat department, and they start going through and looking, and that's every day. They start looking at what meats expire on that day, and then they start slapping the yellow stickers on. Now, the stuff is usually wet because it's been sitting there the longest, so that's why I have gloves on. And when I'm done, I definitely will be wiping off my counter or my table. But before we do those, I'll show you this. I picked up a couple treats for my dogs. Where's my vinegar? Over there. I picked up this gallon size, Rubbermaid gallon container. I need to make up some grass killer. I've never done it before. So you have to use a gallon of vinegar. I think it's a cup of salt, and I think a couple tablespoons of Dawn. But something like that. Don't quote me. Google it. I don't know. Anyway, so I had to pick up that. I also, one of you all mentioned the bread and butter, no sugar added and no artificial dyes. I picked up some of those. I want to see what those taste like. While I was right around the corner, I grabbed some more pasta sauce. And then I grabbed a couple of these Alfredo sauces. These have 50 calories. The Rayos, as good as they are and as low carb as they are, they have 100 calories, and it's 2 carbs, and these have 4 carbs. So for 2 more carbs, I had 50 less calories. I went with this. You have to go what's best with you. If you're not counting calories, stick with Rayos. Look, I got my shirt on. Okay, so let's go through this meat. I'll go with the beef because it's not as yucky on the outside. So I found these country style ribs. And I got them for $9.27, saved $3. I did pick up some more expensive stuff, but, you know, it's good. ribeye. I got this is like the economical stuff, so it's not as, you know, as, forgot what they call it, where you see a whole bunch of white in the middle of it. Anyway, saved $3.85. Got some more country style ribs and saved $3.96. Some more country style ribs and saved $3.14. So like I said, you're just look. I just walked down the aisle and look at the yellow stickers. They had a tomahawk, but I was like, yeah, I don't know how to cook that thing. It was too fancy for me. Butterfly chops, I saved 86 cents. Butterfly chopped, I saved 95 cents. Butterfly chops, I saved 81 cents. I'm putting it back in here, and then what I'll do is I'll just drop this into the freezer. I got some chicken. So this is boneless, skinless chicken breast, thin slices, saved $2.77. And hang on, I'm gonna put the chicken. I'll keep the chicken together. Then some more chicken thigh or boneless, skinless chicken breast, thin slice, saved $2.67. So you have to look at what you're going to pay versus, you know, how much is in your budget. So now, you know, next payday, I will take this much off out of my budget. So boneless chops, saved $1.33. And you know there ain't nothing wrong with this meat. So it's just today's the day. Saved $1.31, again, boneless chops. And these are premium pork chops. And one more pork butterfly chop, saved 68 cents. So wake up early in the mornings and go to your Walmart and look for these sales, y'all. Be the first one there. Here's some chicken breast tenderloins. I saved $1.77. Don't be afraid to get to the Walmart early. The beef are not as yucky underneath, so that's why I've got them sitting out there. Some New York strips. And now, listen, this is the premium, so this is why I saved the amount of money I saved, because I still paid more for them. New York strips, I saved $11.50. Some more country style ribs, I saved $3.89. And the country, they had a bunch of these that were expired today. I saved $3.26 on these country style ribs. I don't know what I'll do with them, but you know, that's kind of fun of just going and picking up random foods because you don't know what you're going to do with them, you know. So but I know what I'll do. I'm going to drop them down in my freezer, and then whatever I do with them, I do. But I'll know that I saved me some monies. This is ground beef. This was 73% ground beef, and I saved $3.40. Now listen, you know, I had to pick these up. I don't care what nobody says. I picked these up. These are the same things that I bought not that long ago, and you know, it kind of made my heart flutter when I saw this yellow sticker. It's these premium ribeye steaks and I saved $11. You know I picked these bad boys up. We're going to have some today. Mom's not going to be over here, so I'm not going to share them with her. Sorry, Judy, if you're watching. But anyway, so I'm going to have these today, so I'm going to just leave these out. I'll put them in my refrigerator, and I'll have some, probably one for lunch or one for supper. Because, you know, I mean, steak, hello. So, yeah. So I'm going to put all this away. And again, it was $2 or 200 and whatever I said dollars. But like I said, now I saved $60. And now all I have to do is drop all of this into my freezer. And whenever I'm ready to do next time I do meal prep, I'll pull some bags out, and I'll know to pull them out, and that's what I'll have. So that's how you can save money and get some better cuts of meat if you choose to, or you can do like I did with that ground beef and watch that ground beef section, because we know normally I pay like $2.80 something for my 73% ground beef, and I am perfectly happy with ground beef. We know I love it, but you know, if you catch something like this, jump on it. And that's what I did. So, all right, just wanted to show you my little mini yellow sticker Walmart haul.